Hello everyone, welcome back to my JavaScript series. In today's video, we'll learn what are functions, why functions are important, function syntax, function declaration, function parameters and arguments, return statement, function expression, arrow functions, and real-world examples. Functions are one of the most important concepts in JavaScript. Without functions, code becomes repetitive, projects become difficult to manage, and reusability becomes impossible. So let's master JavaScript functions. Section 1. What are functions? A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can create a function and reuse it whenever needed. Real-world examples: a TM withdrawal, login system, online shopping checkout, calculator operations, and banking applications. Section 2. Why functions are important. Functions help us reuse code, reduce repetition, improve readability, organize programs, and make projects easier to maintain. Imagine writing login code 100 times. Instead, write it once inside a function and call it whenever needed. Section 3. Function syntax, function name. Example, function greet. Console.log, open parenthesis, quote. Hello world, quote, close parenthesis, calling function, greet, output. Hello world, explanation. The function is created first. The code inside the function runs only when the function is called. Section 4. Function declaration. A function declaration is the standard way of creating functions. Example, function welcome. Console.log, open parenthesis. Quote, welcome to JavaScript. Quote, close parenthesis, welcome. Output, welcome to JavaScript. Explanation. JavaScript stores the function. When welcome is called, the code executes. Section 5. Parameters and arguments. Parameters receive values. Arguments are the actual values passed to the function. Example, function greet. Open parenthesis name close parenthesis, console.log open parenthesis, quote, hello quote, plus name close parenthesis, greet John. Output, hello John. Explanation, parameter, name. Argument John. The argument value gets stored inside the parameter. Section 6. Return statement. The return statement sends a value back. Example, function add a comma b, return a plus b, let result equal to add 10, 20, console.log result. Output, 30, explanation, 10, 20 equal to 30, the function returns 30, the returned value is stored in result. Section 7. Function expression. Functions can also be stored inside variables. Example, const greet equal to function, console.log, hello JavaScript, greet. Output, hello JavaScript, explanation. The function is assigned to a variable. The variable behaves like a function. Section 8. Real-world uses of functions. Functions are used everywhere. Login systems, ATM machines, banking applications, e-commerce websites, social media platforms, and full-stack applications. Example, login function, function login, console.log login. Successful whenever a user clicks login, this function executes. Section 9. Common beginner mistakes, forgetting to call the function. Function greet, console.log. Hello, did not call the function name. Output, nothing. Because greet function was not called. Missing return statement. Example, function add a comma b, a plus b. Output, undefined. Always use return a plus b. Interview tips. Before attending interviews, understand functions. Clearly, learn parameters and arguments, practice return statements, learn arrow functions, and build small projects. Summary. Today we learned what are functions, why functions are important, function syntax, function declaration, parameters and arguments, return statement, function expression, arrow functions, and real-world examples. Functions are one of the foundations of JavaScript. Master functions and you'll be ready for arrays, objects, DOM manipulation, React.js, and full-stack development. Outro. Now you clearly understand JavaScript functions. In the next video, we'll learn JavaScript arrays. Like this video, share it with your coding friends, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep growing. See you in the next video.